Hey guys, welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today we're going to be talking about my AI. A lot of people have had concerns about privacy with my AI on Snapchat. So today I'm just going to show you how to turn off at least notifications for it and a few other features there if you want to mess with it. Okay, so let's dig in. The first thing that you're going to want to do is open Snapchat on your iPhone. This is a iPhone tutorial. And then the first thing you're going to want to do after that is long press on my AI once you've gone to the chat section. So you're going to long press on my AI, and then you're going to notice some options that come up here. You're going to want to go to chat settings, and once you go to chat settings, you're going to see message notifications. So you can go ahead and turn that off, and you won't get notifications anymore from the AI. These notifications sometimes can pop up if you are mentioning the AI while you're having a chat with a friend, and so you'll get notifications that pop up. But once you do this, you're not going to get those notifications anymore. The other thing that you might want to do is hide chats. So you can set this to 24 hours after viewing or after viewing right away so that you're not getting any more pop-ups on your screen for the chats. Hopefully that was helpful. There are some other features here with my AI that we're going to be covering, so stay tuned for more videos. Please subscribe and like if you found this helpful, and I hope you have an awesome day. Take care.